Welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see most important MCQs of Limitation Act. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see MCQs of Limitation Act with answer. Question number 1. The Limitation Act was enacted on. Answer is 7th August 1908. Limitation Act enacted on 7th August 1908. Question number 2. The Limitation Act of 1908 contains how many sections? Answer is option number B, 32 sections. Question number 3. The law of limitation is not applicable to. Answer is law of limitation is not applicable to inheritance matters. Question number 4. A suit filed, appeal preferred and application made after period of limitation. Answer is option number B, would be dismissed. Means suit appeal preferred and application made after period of limitation would be dismissed. Question number 5. Time limitation for enforcement of Supreme Court order in its original jurisdiction is. Answer is option number B, 6 years. Original jurisdiction is 6 years. Question number 6. Time limitation for execution of a decree or order of any civil court is. Answer is option number C, both option A and option B. Means option A, 3 years from the date of order or decree. Option B, 6 years in case of appeal, revision or review results. Both option A and B. Question number 7. Article 181 of the Limitation Act is. Answer is option number B, residuary article in nature. Article 181 of the Limitation Act is residuary article in nature. Question number 8. Time limitation for filing application to become legal representative due to death of defendant or respondent is. Answer is option number B, 90 days from the death of defendant or respondent. Time limitation is filing application to become legal representative due to death of defendant or respondent is 90 days from the death of defendant or respondent. Question number 9. Time limitation for filing appeal under the Code of Civil Procedure to the Supreme Court for leave to appeal is. Answer is 90 days from the date of decree appealed from. Question number 10. Time limitation for review of cases of judgment except in the cases provided in Article 161 and Article 162 of Limitation Act is. Answer is option number C, 90 days. Article 161 and Article 162 of Limitation Act is. Answer is option number C, 90 days. Question number 11. Time limitation for filing appeal, leave as pauper is. Answer is option number A, 30 days from the date of the decree appealed from. Filing appeal leave as pauper is 30 days from the date of the decree appealed from. Question number 12. Time limitation for complaining of resistance or obstructions to delivery of possession of immovable property decreed or sold in execution of a decree is. Answer is option number B, 30 days from the date of resistance. Question number 13. Time limitation under CPC by a person disposed of immovable property and disputing the right of decree holder or purchaser at a sale in execution of a decree to be put into execution is. Answer is option number A, 30 days from the date of dispossession. Question number 14. Time limitation for revision under section 115 of CPC is. Answer is option number C. Revision under section 115 of CPC is 90 days from the date of decision sought to be revised. Question number 15. Time limitation for restoration of review. Restoration of review petition due to absence of petitioner is. Answer is option number C. 15 days from the date when the application for review is rejected. 15 days from the date when the application for review is rejected. Question number 16. Time limitation for filing application under Arbitration Act 1940 to set aside an award or to get an award remitted for reconsideration is. Answer is option number A. 30 days from the date of service of filing the award. Question number 17. Time limitation for appeal against any order of criminal court to court of session is. Answer is option number C. 30 days from the date of order. Question number 18. Time limitation for appeal from a decree or order of High Court in its original jurisdiction is. Answer is original jurisdiction is 20 days. Question number 19. The time limitation for filing suit for breach of contract is. Answer is option number C. 3 years from the time when the contract broken. Time limitation for filing suit for breach of contract is. Answer is 3 years from the time when the contract broken. Question number 20. The time limit for right of easement is. Answer is option number C. 20 years. Right of easement is 20 years. Question number 21. Section dash of the Limitation Act deals with exclusion of time of proceeding bona fide in court without jurisdiction. Answer is Section 14 of the Limitation Act deals with exclusion of time of proceeding bona fide in court without jurisdiction. Question number 22. As per Section 12 of the Limitation Act, in computing the period of limitation prescribed for any suit, appeal or application, the day from which such period is reckoned. Answer is option number A. Shall be excluded. As per Section 12, the Limitation Act, computing the period of limitation prescribed for any suit, appeal or application, the day from which such period is reckoned shall be excluded. Question number 23. Section dash of the Limitation Act deals with suits against express trustees and their representatives. Answer is option number C. 10. Section 10 of the Limitation Act. Question number 24. Section 8 of Limitation Act deals with. Answer is option number C. Special exception. Section 8 of Limitation Act deals with special exception. Question number 25. A right to sue accrues to X during his minority. X dies before attaining the majority and is succeeded by Y, his minor son. Time runs against Y from the date of. Answer is option number B. His attaining majority. Time runs against Y from the date of his attaining majority. Question number 26. Where a person entitled to institute a suit or proceeding or make an application for the execution of a decree. Execution of a decree is at the time from which the period of limitation is to be reckoned. He can institute suit, make an application or other proceeding after getting rid from. Answer is option number D. All of the above means number A. Insaneness. Number B. Minority. Number C. Idiotness. All of the above. Question number 27. Section 5 of Limitation Act provides dash. Answer is option number C. Extension of limitation period in certain cases. Section 5 Limitation Act provides extension of limitation period in certain cases. Question number 28. Suit filed, appeal, preferred and application made after period of limitation. Answer is option number B would be dismissed. Made after period of limitation would be dismissed. Question number 29. The law of limitation is not applicable to. Answer is option number C, inheritance matter. Law of limitation is not applicable, inheritance matters. Question number 30. The time limitation for moving application under section 12 subsection 2 of CPC is. Answer is option number A, 3 years. Section 12 subsection 2 of CPC is time limitation for moving application under section 12 subsection 2 of CPC is 3 years. Question number 31. Time limitation for enforcement of a judgment, decree or order of any high court in its ordinary jurisdiction is. Answer is ordinary jurisdiction is 6 years. Question number 32. Time limitation for filing application by purchaser of immovable property at a sale in execution of a decree for delivery of possession is dash. Answer is option number C, 3 years. Delivery of possession is 3 years when the sale becomes absolute. Question number 33. Time limitation for making an appeal under Arbitration Act is. Answer is option number C, none of above. Question number 34. Time limitation for filing application to become as legal representative due to death of plaintiff or appellant is dash. Answer is option number C, 90 days from the date of death of deceased plaintiff or appellant. Question number 35. Time limitation for the payment of the amount of a decree by installment is. Answer is option number B, 6 months. Installment is, decree by installment is 6 months from the date of decree. Question number 36. Time limitation for moving an application under CPC by legal representative of deceased plaintiff or defendant for setting aside an order or judgment made or pronounced in his absence is dash. Answer is option number B, 60 days from date of order or judgment. Question number 37. Time limitation for filing an application for rehearing of an appeal heard ex parte is. Answer is option number C, both option A and option B. Option A, 30 days from the date of decree. Option B, 30 days from the date of knowledge. Question number 38. Time limitation for filing an application for readmission of appeal dismissed for want of prosecution is. Answer is option number B, 30 days from the date of dismissal. Question number 39. Time limitation under CPC to set aside a sale in execution of a decree including any such application by judgment debtor is. Answer is option number C, 30 days from the date of sale. Question number 40. Time limitation for a review of judgment by High Court in the exercise of its original jurisdiction is dash. Answer is option number A, 20 days from the date of decree or order, means exercise of its original jurisdiction is 20 days from the date of decree or order. Question number 41. The time limitation for leave to defend a suit under order 37 of CPC. Answer is option number A, 10 days when the summons are served. Question number 42. Under Criminal Procedure Code means CRPC, from an order of acquittal, time limitation of appeal is. Answer is option number B, 6 months from the date of order. Time limitation of appeal is 6 months from the date of order. Question number 43. Time limitation for appeal against decree or order of civil judge before court of district judges. Answer is option number A, 30 days from the date of decree or order. Question number 44. Time limitation for appeal under the Code of Criminal Procedure from a sentence of death passed by the Court of Session or by High Court in its original jurisdiction is. Answer is option number A, 7 days. Original jurisdiction is 7 days. Question number 45. Time limitation for filing suit for compensation for false imprisonment is. Answer is option number C, 1 year. False imprisonment is 1 year. Question number 46. The time limitation for filing suit for specific performance of a contract is years. Means answer is option number A, 3 years. Specific performance of a contract is 3 years. Question number 47. In the case of a suit for compensation for an act which does not give rise to cause of action unless some specific injury actually result therefrom, the period of limitation shall be computed dash. Answer is option number B. From the time when the injury results. The period of limitation shall be computed from the time when the injury results. Question number 48. Article dash 2 of the Limitation Act deals with computation of period of limitation. Answer is Article 12 to Article 25 of the Limitation Act deals with computation of period of limitation. Answer is option number A. Question number 49. Section 11 of the Limitation Act deals with suits. Answer is option number B. Foreign Code. Section 11 of Limitation Act deals with suits, foreign contracts. Answer is option B. Foreign contracts. Question number 50. As per Section 9 of the Limitation Act, where once time has begun to run. Answer is option number A. No subsequent disability or inability sue to can stop it. Section 9 Limitation Act, where once time has begun to run, no subsequent disability or inability sue to can stop it. Question number 51. A person passes through legal disability can file suit, make application. Answer is option number B. Out of limitation period. Question number 52. The right to sue for the hire of a boat occurs to A during his minority. He attains majority 4 years after such accrual. He may institute his suit at any time within. Answer is option number C. 5 years from the date of his attaining majority. Question number 53. Legal disability is provided in section dash of the Limitation Act. Answer is option number B. 6 means legal disability is provided in section 6 of the Limitation Act. Question number 54. As per section 4 of Limitation Act, where the period of limitation prescribed for any suit, appeal or application expires on a day when the court is closed. Dash. Answer is option number B. The suit, appeal or application may be instituted preferred on the day when the court reopens. Important word is when the court reopens. Question number 55. Definition are provided in section dash of Limitation Act of. Answer is option number A. 2. Definition are provided in section 2 of Limitation Act. Question number 56. The Limitation Act was in force on. Answer is option number A. First day of January 1909. Question number 57. Decree granting permanent injunction that prohibits someone for doing an act is. Answer is option number C. None of above. Question number 58. Where no period of limitation is provided in Limitation Acts, Schedule or Section 48 of CPC, then. Answer is option number A. Article 181 of Limitation Act is applicable. Question number 59. Legal disabilities are. Which are legal disabilities? Answer is all of the above means minority, insanity, idiocy. Question number 60. Section 6 of Limitation Act does not apply to. Answer is option number 1. Insolvent. Section 6 of Limitation Act does not apply to insolvent. Question number 61. Period of limitation stands extended by virtue of section 6 of Limitation Act for a maximum period of. Answer is option number 2. Maximum period of 3 years. Question number 62. The period of possession of hereditary office is. Answer is option number 2. 12 years. The period for possession of a hereditary office is 12 years. Question number 63. In computing the period of limitation for appeal, review or revision, the time requisite for obtaining a copy of the decree or order appealed shall be excluded under. Answer is section 12 subsection 2 obtaining a copy of decree or order appealed shall be excluded under section 12 subsection 2. Question number 64. In computing the period of limitation for application to set aside an award, the time requisite in obtaining a copy of the award shall be excluded under which section? Answer is section 12 subsection 4. The time requisite the obtaining a copy of the award shall be excluded under section 12 subsection 4. Question number 65. Time requisite under section 12 subsection 2 of Limitation Act means? Answer is number 3. Actual time taken for obtaining certified copy. Section 12 subsection 2 of Limitation Act means actual time taken for obtaining certified copy. Question number 66. Time excluded has to be considered on the basis of? Answer is option number 4. Information as to copy is not placed on record but made available to the court. Time excluded has to be considered on the basis of information as to copy is not placed on record but made available to the court. Question number 67. Section 13 of Limitation Act applies to option A and option B. Option A, suit filed in forma pauperis. Option B, appeal filed in forma pauperis. Section 13 Limitation Act applies to suit filed in forma pauperis and appeal filed in forma pauperis. Question number 68. Under section 13 of Limitation Act, the time is excluded in both the cases. Means if the application for leave to sue or appeal as a pauper is allowed, and if the application for leave to sue or appeal as a pauper is rejected, in both the cases are right. Section 13. Question number 69. Section 15 exclude from computation of limitation. Answer is option number 4, all the above. Means number 1, period of notice. Number 2, time taken in granting previous consent. Number 3, time taken in grant of sanction. All the above are right. Section 15 exclude from computation of limitation all the above. Question number 17. What is the limitation for filing suit for recovery of money? Answer is option number B, 3 years. Limitation for filing suit for recovery of money, 3 years. So friends, these are most important MCQ of Limitation Act. Thank you.